Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss one of the most talked about topics in today's world, Chat GPT. And we will discuss whether Chat GPT take your job. The nature of work is changing. As advances in technology continue to march forward, more and more tasks can be accomplished with greater efficiency and accuracy in a fraction of the time. With this in mind, it's understandable that many people are worried about the potential for automation to take away their jobs. One technology in particular, known as GPT-3 or Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3, is capable of writing convincing blog posts and even entire articles with no human guidance. In this video, we'll be exploring the potential of GPT-3 and its implications for the future of the workforce. We'll look at the benefits and downsides of chatbots powered by GPT-3, and consider whether they could one day replace humans in the workforce. We'll also discuss the ethical implications of this technology and how it might shape our society. Let's dive in and explore the possibilities of GPT-3, as well as its potential to take away your job. Overview of GPT technologies. GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is a deep learning technology that has been receiving a lot of attention in recent years. It is a type of language model that leverages large datasets of text to generate human-like responses. This technology has been used to create natural language processing (NLP) applications that enable computers to understand and respond to human requests. GPT technologies have the potential to revolutionize the way businesses interact with customers, as they can respond to questions and inquiries in real time using natural language. This could reduce the need for human customer service agents, potentially making GPT technologies a threat to current jobs. Benefits of GPT in the workplace. GPT or Generative Pre-trained Transformer is a new type of AI technology that has taken the world by storm. In the workplace, GPT offers numerous benefits and opportunities for businesses to grow. By leveraging GPT, businesses can increase efficiency, reduce costs, and improve customer service. GPT can provide businesses with cost savings on customer service, as well as automated responses to customer inquiries, helping to reduce staff overhead. Additionally, GPT can improve the accuracy of customer service and reduce the time it takes to answer customer queries. GPT can also help businesses analyze customer data faster and more effectively, enabling them to make better decisions and develop better marketing strategies. Potential implications of GPT on job roles. GPT's potential implications on job roles are vast and varied. In the short term, some jobs may disappear as GPT technology replaces them or reduces the need for certain tasks. However, it is also possible that GPT could create new job roles in the long term. For example, in the field of language processing, GPT could create roles for human experts to create training data, fine-tune models, and evaluate results. In addition, GPT could lead to an increased demand for positions that combine technical and creative skills, such as developing GPT systems, creating digital content, and managing the implementation of automated solutions. Ultimately, GPT's impact on job roles will depend on how organizations choose to implement the technology. Strategies to ensure job security in the age of GPT. In the age of GPT technology, it is more important than ever to ensure job security. The following are 4 strategies that can be used to accomplish this goal. First, it is important to stay current on new developments in the field of GPT technology and take the time to learn new skills that can help you stay competitive. Additionally, employers are likely to seek out those with an understanding of GPT technology, so it is important to stay up to date with the advancements in the field. Second, use social media to your advantage by connecting with other professionals in the field to stay informed and network. Third, take advantage of professional development opportunities and learning experiences that can help you develop relevant skills. Finally, when possible, participate in research projects and internships that will help you gain experience in the field of GPT technology. Taking the time to engage in these activities can help you stay competitive and ensure job security in the age of GPT. Ethical considerations of using GPT technologies in the workplace. As with any new technology, when introducing GPT into the workplace, ethical considerations should be taken into account. For example, it is important to consider the potential impact of GPT on employees and their jobs. There is a risk that GPT could lead to job displacement or the automation of large numbers of jobs, especially in lower-paid roles. It is also important to consider the potential implications for data privacy and security and how GPT could be used to monitor employees in their work. Finally, there is the potential for GPT to be used to influence people, either through subtle manipulation of conversation or more overt marketing tactics, which could lead to ethical dilemmas. In conclusion, GPT-3 is an impressive technology, but it's not a threat to the job market. While GPT-3 can generate text, The technology is too primitive to actually understand the context and provide meaningful advice. Therefore, it's not ready to replace human professionals. In the future, GPT-3 will likely become a more sophisticated and powerful tool for helping humans make decisions, but for now, it's just a neat technology that can generate text. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe for more videos on interesting topics like this.